Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: Freshworks initiates share sale worth $500 million. Byju's appoints Anil Goyal as president. Good Glam Group enters the Unicorn Club. Now the news in detail are: Freshworks Inc. has initiated a share sale worth more than $500 million to allow top executives including co-founder and chief executive Girish Mathrubootham and employees to cash out after the company's listing on Nasdaq. EdTech major Byju's has appointed Anil Goyal as president of its technology division in a bid to strengthen its leadership team before its forthcoming public listing in 2022. Goyal will strategize the direction of technology development within Byju's and its group companies. The Good Glam Group has raised $150 million as a part of its Series D funding round, co-led by Process Ventures and Warburg Pincus. With the fundraise, the Good Glam Group is valued at a $1.2 billion, making entry into the Unicorn Club. Cloud kitchen company Cure Foods, which operates Eat Fit, is in talks to raise $30 million in an equity funding round led by Axel and Chirate. It will use the funds to acquire almost half a dozen smaller brands in the space and for other inorganic growth opportunities. U.com, a startup looking to challenge Alphabet Inc.'s Google by developing a more customizable search engine, announced a $20 million investment led by the venture fund of Salesforce.com's chief executive Mark Benioff. Indian actor and youth icon Sonu Sood joins hands with post K-12 mentoring startup Intercell to provide seamless and affordable career mentoring to students through technology solutions. The aim is to provide career advice and direction to new graduates and young professionals through industry professionals across the world. Investment advisory platform StratZ has raised $800,000 as a part of its pre-seed funding round from Leo Capital, Titan Capital and FirstJet. The funding will be used to bolster leadership and talent, obtain regulatory permits, and to grow marketing efforts for acquiring new users. Battery swapping network startup BatterySmart has raised $7 million in a pre-series A round led by Bloom Ventures and Oreos Ventures. The startup operates over 100 swap stations across Delhi NCR region and has completed over 3 lakh battery swaps, covering 10 million emission-free miles. Fintech startup Khatabook will be discontinuing its flagship bookkeeping app and digital online storefront for Kirana MyStore. The startup informed its user that it is planning to discontinue the MyStore app from November 15, 2021. EdTech platform Examcore, that creates educational content on YouTube focused on helping government job aspirants crack different exams, has raised an undisclosed amount during its pre-Series A funding round, raised from a consortium of Singapore-based angel investors. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.